out today looking for the end of my trekking pole I lost earlier this week. I've been out looking once before. This will be my second trip. Heading into the area where I can remember last using them before I stowed them, which is this hillside right over here behind those trees. So I gotta get across the creek over here, go through the trees, climb up the hill, and that's the section I used them on. And then hopefully the end will have fallen out of those poles right up there. I checked about 6 miles of trail on my second stop for that day yesterday, but had no luck finding it. So hopefully it'll be up here and I won't have to buy new poles. Found it. I found it. I was getting pretty bummed there for a minute. And then I walked right up on it. Right here. Whew! That feels good. Now I can have some fun. This hike was bumming me out.